Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by stabilizing the basics: posture, breath, and hydration. Stand or sit tall with a neutral spine so your diaphragm can move. This matters because tension in your shoulders or chest forces a shaky tone. Once positioned, take a slow 4-6 second inhale and a controlled 5-8 second exhale to engage diaphragmatic breathing. Make sure to sip 200-300 ml water 20 minutes prior, and spend 30-60 seconds on gentle humming and lip trills to wake the vocal folds. Next, you develop steady control through targeted exercises. Start with sustained vowels, 5 reps held 8-12 seconds at a comfortable pitch, because lengthening airflow trains muscular endurance and reduces tremor. Then shift to resonance work. Aim sound forward into your mask so vibrations sit in your face and chest, which stabilizes pitch and volume. Between reps, actively scan and release tension in your jaw, tongue, and neck. If you notice strain, lower volume and simplify the task until steadiness returns. To finish, you transfer gains into real speech by reading aloud using breath marks every 8 to 10 words so phrases stay supported. Once comfortable, increase duration or complexity by about 10% each session to build resilience without overloading. Make sure to cool down with gentle humming for 20-30 seconds. If shaking persists despite rest, or you experience pain, rest the voice 24-48 hours and consult a speech therapist or ENT. This rule prevents harm and identifies underlying medical causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.